Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get unbanned on OME. First open your browser and go to the OME website. As you can see, the account is banned. Now let's try to fix that. Close the OME tab and open your browser history. Now click on clear browsing data, choose all time as the time range, tick on everything and then click delete data. After that, close your browser completely and restart your PC. Once your computer turns on back, open your browser again and go to the OME. You should now see the sign in window. Click on continue with Google and sign in using a new Gmail account. After signing in, OME should be working again. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.